welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this gorga day? What is up? I just got home from an event. It was an event for Miss Laura Lee Los Angeles. Miss Laura, lean with it, rock with it. And it was really, really cute. It was like a Galentine's event. And I, of course, went over to support my girl, my bad bitch girl, my material girl. Today's video, you guys, what I decided to do is I actually bought a Poshmark mystery box, a beauty mystery box from Poshmark, right here. And it was $500. $500, y'all. I said, if this doesn't have some good ass shit in here, I'll cry. I really will. I really will. I also ended up buying a smaller $250 box, but we'll see if I get to that. Well, I don't know. We're gonna do the 500 for sure. And if we have enough time, we'll maybe do the second box too, just to see. But that's what today's video is. We're gonna just unbox it. I thought, because the box is so big, I'm filming this in front of like a different setup. Obviously, it's not in my beauty room setup, like intense setup. It's more my chill setup where it's like, you know, the makeup storage behind me. Because the thing is, when the box is this big, it's very uncomfortable to film there. It's impossible, bags, it's impossible. So I'm really praying that we don't get completely annihilated and over with these boxes because I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Because I'm actually really scared. Like, what if I paid $500 for literally nothing? I'm gonna cry. Poshmark is like a website. It's kind of like eBay vibes, I'm assuming, where you can just go and find things and buy them. So it's like almost like Amazon, eBay, those kind of things. But anyways, you guys, that's what today's video is gonna be. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't fucking watch it, don't enjoy that. But if you guys do like this video, if you guys like mystery box unboxings, if you guys like the gays, oh my god, I almost just cracked my neck.
Ew, Michelle.
Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. But let's go and get this bitch sorted. Okay, so we have a Peachy box, and we're going to open it on up. I obviously have not seen anything in this box. Also, this took literally a gazillion years to get to me, which was actually really fucking annoying. It took so long to get to me, but apparently if you buy something on Poshmark over $500, like they have to go through it. Apparently, like they have to like make sure, I don't know what they have to make sure. They have to make sure something's going on. Like it doesn't just come to you from the seller. Like they go through like the warehouse. Okay, so we have a little note. A little Peachy note. Okay, let's see. What is this? Oh, it's a breakdown. It's a makeup break. Wait, I can't look at this yet, obviously. I can't look at this yet. I'm not looking at it. I'm not. Okay, so we're gonna go right into it. Oh, but there is a note. It says, "Hi, Manny. Thank you for choosing my mystery box." Okay, I don't want to read it too much. I don't want to read it. I don't want to. So we have actually, so we have a big box in here. This says Skin Store. This box here, and then we have another box right here. So we have two massive boxes in this one big box. Okay, let's go through our first box first. I'm excited, but I'm scared too. Whoa, it smells like, oh my gosh, it's like very fragranted. It's like very floral fragrance. It just punched me right in the face. Okay, so we have first box first. The first thing I see automatically is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. Okay, like this is like a good amount of money. This is not a cheap palette. Completely unused and brand new. I mean, this is all brand new, right? This is all fucking new. It literally better be, but this is cute. I do have this palette, so I'm assuming I'll probably end up doing like a little bit of a giveaway with these products. All the things I have repeats of course. We have a Wishful Skin Cocoon Mask, which is also Huda Beauty's line, which is really cool. I actually really do like this mask a lot. We have a Huda Beauty bag. A Huda Beauty bag. I wonder if it's like, maybe it's like a little gift with purchase kind of thing, maybe? What do you guys think? Okay, so next product here, we have this Lila Be Elegant Tinted Lip Oil. How tinted are we talking? Because my lips are feeling a little dry. Whoa! It was magnetized. Can you guys see a tint? Is it tinting? I don't love this. Oh, it's definitely tinting, sure fucking is. It's like the applicator's not cute. It doesn't pick up on a product. I don't like it at all. I don't like that. No, no, no. I just need it on though, because I need something, because I honestly, my lips are dry as the Sahara Desert right now. They are. I need more water. And you guys, next we have this little baby Laura Mercier translucent powder. I absolutely love the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So this is a fuck yeah. A fuck yeah, dude. That's so cool. Okay, next we have the, have you guys heard of this brand? This is the Oskia London Nutra Bronze Adaptive Sheer Tinted Serum. That was a long thing. It looks kind of cool. It's a sheer tinted serum. I'm getting I don't get it, but it looks interesting. It really does. Oh, we have a little bit of a mascara from ABH. Seems like it's a stocking stuffer or like a little bit of a, what are they called? On trees. An ornament. It's a Peachy ornament. A little mascara ornament. Okay. Very cute. Next, you guys, we have a By Terry Double Effect Lash Expert Twist Brush. So I'm assuming it's a mascara. We have a mascara. By Terry is a nice brand. The thing is with By Terry though, this is the thing. Whoa, wait. Oh! You guys, when I twisted the cap, the brush extended. And then you twist it back down, it goes to curly swivel. Up, it swivels to an extend. Think of it as a flaccid and non-flaccid one.
What did he say?
That's actually really fucking cool. Wait, I've never seen that before. Lash Expert Twist Brush by Terry. The By Terry stuff usually has a really strong scent, and I don't like the scent of like By Terry stuff. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Next, you guys, we have the Liquid Glow by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Perla. So we have a liquid highlighter in Perla right here. This is a nice shade. This is like literally what my shade would be. Wow, look at this. Wait, how pretty this is. Next, we have the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Icon in the shade Icon. A lip liner. That's very creamy, very nice actually. So far, of course, I have like honestly all these items, but I'm not disappointed. We have a Charlotte Tilbury Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick. Charlotte Tilbury is in the house. Do we have Miss Charlotte Tilbury in the house with a red liquid lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury? You guys, so far I already feel like a lot of this stuff is already very, very expensive, and I feel like I'm like already like close to hitting the $500 mark. Am I crazy? Or am I not crazy? Because I feel like this is a big ass box, and I still have like 5 more items in here. And that's only one of the boxes. We have a Wander Beauty is the next product here. Wander Beauty, Champagne Falls. Liquid eyeshadow. We have a liquid eyeshadow, you guys. I don't like it. It's very sheer and it's fucking stupid.
It's gonna be a no for me, dog. Keep it up, though.
I hate when liquid eyeshadows like that are shimmery or creamy or, you know, supposed to be like this kind of vibe aren't. It's not the vibe.
Like, it's not the vibe. Stop!
Okay, guys, so next, you guys, we have the Victoria Beckham. Wait a damn minute. Victoria Beckham is expensive as hell. Victoria Beckham Posh Lipstick. Look at that, how poshy. It's very posh. I'm poshin'. And this is honestly, it's actually a really pretty color. Look at this. It's like a really pretty dusty rose. That's actually kind of stunning. I'm a little bit impressed. Okay, this is in the shade Sway. Shade Sway. It's a really pretty cream finish. Dusty mauve right there. Okay, next we have this is a Soin Essential Vanille Cream Ultra Regenerate by Cosmidor. I don't know what the fuck that means. Don't know what that means. No, I literally don't. What is it? What is it? I don't know. Someone help me with that one. Next we have Code 8 Express Hydrator Lip Color. Code 8. I'm not sure about this one. Oh, it's a little crayon. It's a big crayon, actually. Why is this like low-key, like very similar colors right here? It smells amazing. A Ren Skincare Clean Primer. I've heard of Ren before. Ren is like a nice high-end skincare brand. I've never seen like a primer in this kind of bottle though. Perfect Canvas Clean Primer, silicone free. Huh, apply after moisturizer and SPF. A few drops to your fingers and then you melt into your skin. Didn't know they had that. Didn't know they had that. Okay, next you guys, we have the Chantilly Pure Rose Water. Chantilly Pure Rose Water. What did I just say? It's a little spritz, pure rose water. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's fucking strong, dude. That's hella strong. Okay, and you guys, last but not least, we have the Amanda Harrington London Perfect Body Ultimate Gradual Tan. Ultimate Gradual Tan. I'm assuming it's like a body moisturizer. Gradual Tan, hydrating, renewing, tan extending. But what is it? I'm assuming it's like a moisturizer, but it also tans you. Okay guys, so that's all it was in the first box. That was just the first of the 2 boxes I got. How much do you think that is? Should we total that up? I think we should total that up. What the fuck? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add up the total of the first box that we have unboxed and we have uncovered and we have unearthed. So the total value of the first box is actually $569. Holy shit, $569 is from the first box I opened. That's the value of everything. And I, again, paid $500 for this box. So let's go ahead and move on to the next box and see what the value of this is and see if it's total worth like paying $500 for the essence. For the essence. this motherfucking boss. Let's do it! We have the Wander Beauty Wanderous Rush Eyeshadow Palette. I feel like for some reason, Wander Beauty just kind of goes under the radar for me. What about you guys? I feel like I don't have a lot of Wander Beauty stuff. Or I do have it, but I just don't ever use anything from them. Why is that? And why can't I open this? Okay, so we have this thing first here, Wanderous. This is actually kind of adorable. This little palette, really cute, really adorable. I'm not mad at this. And the shadows look really, really, really pretty. You guys, next we have the M61 Powerful Skincare Power Glow Peel. And it's just a 1 minute step exfoliant. So it's like a one-time use, I'm assuming. Just one little M61 Powerful Skincare Peel. 3 treatments. You guys, moving on to the next product here that's popped out. We have the Hangover RX by Too Faced. The Nourishing Face Primer. I actually really like this. I like this a lot. I feel like it's more so like a moisturizer than like a primer for me. Definitely like as a prepping set for the skin, but I would say using different primers definitely more. For sure. I don't know what that is. Next, guys, we have this Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. Anything, honestly, with retinol for eye cream is great because you're gonna actually see a difference in like the fine lines and wrinkles because retinol is so good at cell turnover in that way. I'm really smart, okay? So next, you guys, we have the Wander Beauty, again, Lip Retreat. Can I fucking talk? Lip Retreat Lip Oil. A lip oil right here. Lip Retreat oil, is it clear? Why do all these oils have to have a fucking hella color, dude? That's a lot of color for lip oil. Like, shit. I don't really smell anything. Next. The Lom Cleanser. It's giving me sample size. Did it just fucking pop at me? Is this supposed to look like this? Okay, it looks a little strange, you guys. Phone time. No, phone time. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. If you guys have ever seen this, is this normal? Do you guys see how there's like little things all over it? I'm assuming there was a bubble right there and that's why it popped. But do you guys see how there's like things on top? Is that normal? Please tell me, advise. You guys let me know if that's normal because that looks a little terrifying to me if I do say so myself. You guys, next we have the Peachy Micellar Cleansers. How cute, I've never seen this before. Okay, what is it though? But what is it? Should we try opening and just seeing what it is? Oh, okay, so they're literally like little cleansers. What is it? What's the point? Develop patent and healing concentrate. Deliver minerals deep into the epidermis. Complexion means very much soaked in gentle natural micellar water. Peach micellar cleanser. Okay, so it's basically like a one sweep. It's like a cleanser in one. But the problem is here for me. How the fuck are these supposed to stay sealed and wet if there's no Why the fuck is there no seal? There's nothing here. What am I supposed to do about this? Is it literally a one-time use and now they're all gonna dry up? You guys, I'm literally gonna have a BF. No, literally, I'm gonna have a BF, and that means a bitch fit. Okay, guys, next, you guys, we have the Tarte Glotion Skin Perfector. This is the Tarte C collection, the C line. C line. Okay, so I don't know what this actually is. This is Glotion Skin Perfector. So maybe it's like a glowing lotion kind of vibes. Doesn't really give any coverage, but it just kind of makes your skin look nice and glowy. And honestly, it's definitely doing that. It's actually shockingly beautiful on my skin. Makes your skin look super radiant and dewy and just glowy. Wait, this is nice. Use one for healthy glow or under makeup for an added radiance. You guys, it feels amazing and it looks absolutely stunning. Like it's glowy, but it's not, there's no shimmer in it. It's just like more of a glow. It really is a glow. That stays with me. And that's not going in a giveaway pile. I'm sorry, it's not, it stays with me. Next, you guys, we have the Omoroviska. Nope. The Omorovixa Budapest Deep Cleansing Mask. Ooh, it's like dark clay. Okay, Oh, nice. Next, we have the KVD Locket Okay, you guys crazy. My mom's obsessed with this brush. My mom is literally obsessed with the KVD brush. This is the Locket foundation brush. And it honestly is a great brush. I can see why. Like, she's absolutely obsessed with it. It has like, it's like, goes into a point, but it has like two like edges. You know what I mean? Two edges and a point, you know? You don't know, huh? You don't know. You don't know, and it's okay. But it's honestly a really, really great brush. I'm kind of obsessed. Okay, guys, and last 3 items of the box total. We have a Natasha Denona eyeliner pencil, a Waterfall Moisture Shine Lotion by R+CO. What? Oh, it's like for the hair. Okay, it's a hair thing. And last one is you have a Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. which I fucking love. I'm doing this right now. Are you joking? I love the Joy Lip Enhancers. And what color is the Natasha eyeliner pencil? That's staying with me. And then oh, it's like a blue. It's like a very intense cerulean. Oh, the pencil is dry as fuck. Okay. My camera died, I had to put another battery in. Well, what I was saying, look at this, ready? So we have our Natasha Denona blue pencil, right?
What's going on?
Yeah. Let's go and add up the total of this portion of the box and we'll see how much everything is added up together. Okay, you guys, so I just added up the entire total of the second box. And the second box that we have in here is actually worth $496. That's like the total value of the box. And the other one was worth $607 because I forgot to add in the, what was it? The Victoria Beckham Posh lipstick. Forgot to add that part in. So now we have a grand total of $1,103. Wow. I spent $500 and I got $1,103 worth of stuff back. Holy fucking shit. You know what was the most expensive thing here on here though? It was the Omorov Deep Cleansing Mask. It was $125 for that mask. And it's actually a brand I've never heard of. Have you guys heard of this brand? Please tell me if you guys have. Is it like really as high end? Like is it really high end? Like is it worth the hype? I need to know. Product of Hungry, so I would like to know that. But that's it, you guys. I feel like this video is kind of long, so I'm not gonna do the other unboxing right now. You guys, literally my camera has died twice now because the batteries are so shitty. So I'm doing the outro on my phone. Anyway, what I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted was that I'm kind of impressed. I'm kind of impressed with this Poshmark, this little box I got. A lot of the things here I won't use and I won't like want to keep, and I'll definitely give them away. But overall, I was like pretty impressed with the value. Like $1,003 worth of value when I spent 500 bucks. That's literally like over half value. You know what I mean? Like that's shocking. And to me, I was shocked. Like that was absolutely wild. So the gag is, you guys, with this box, so I'm now reading the note because now we're like on this portion of it. The gag is that for the box, she stated it was a high-end and luxury box, right? Every single item brand can be found in Sephora, Neiman Marcus, Space NK, or an equivalent boutique. There are no drugstore item filler item brands. Wow. Okay, and it's true. Like everything here is like a higher end brand for sure. No drugstore items in here. And it definitely is a value of $1,000 for $500. Wow, that's so cool. Honestly, I'm very impressed. I'm impressed. I thought I was gonna be fucked, but I'm way more impressed than I thought I was gonna be. I'll go ahead and leave the seller's information down below if you guys are interested in it. And I feel like this video is already kind of long enough, so I'm not gonna do the $250 Poshmark box because I'm like, girl, I just did an entire $550 box. I can't do another $250. There's no way. There's no way. But if you guys would like to see me unbox a $250 mystery box from a different seller, it's not the same one, let me know. And I can definitely do that video as well, because these are kind of fun for me. Like, it's just like chill. It's a big box. Obviously, I have to sit down in like in this area, but let me know what you guys think. But that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, have a great rest of the night or day, wherever you guys are. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you. The killer's escaping. Is that better? So I thought it would be just easier. Hold on, I have a potential spam caller. Zaya! We're not doing it every time I film. No? Go fuck yourself, Dad. Fuck yourself. Zaya, I'm begging. Why is it now that I'm filming I have to take a fucking